it to me. Today's challenge seems really interesting. I also want to participate. Can I join in? Look at me!
Hello.
Let's go, boys! It's these extra information that made you all look really strong! No! The wrong one used to really scare me! Wow! Look at that jump! I thought a superhero appeared! Look at him!
Enough is enough! I have had it with you!
Do something, everyone! That kick is really awesome! I like it!
Look at me go! Wait, what?
Good job!
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Keep trying, my friend!
What are you aiming at?
Oh, yes, Daddy.
Keep going, young man! Oh no! I should have taught you how to ride the motorcycle first!
Ready?
Go, go, go!
Look at me go.
He's really strong. Hey, kiddos! Dad's on his way! I love you, Daddy!
Yeah.
I believe you can do it! Show them your skills!
You got it.
This seems like the funniest performance, right? Wow! Perfect!
No!
Yeah, let's do this.
Easy!
Congratulations to my friend! Your children are truly adorable! I believe he'll do better next time. Goodbye, and see you again.
Hello. Yeah.
Red. Green.
Let's go.
Yes. Go, go, go. Pink.
Let's go.
Yes. Go, go, go. Orange.
Let's go.
Yes. Go, go, go. Blue.
Let's go.
Yes. Go, go, go.